Has it ever crossed your mind how a simple spice in your kitchen could play a role in boosting your immunity and many health benefits in these challenging times? The humble turmeric, a golden spice, is under the spotlight for its potential benefits during and post-COVID times. Recent studies and findings are casting a new light on this spice. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is now being hailed as a potential booster to our immunity system. As we navigate these challenging times, turmeric has emerged as a beacon of health and wellness. This golden spice, found in your kitchen, offers hope and supports our well-being. Remember, it's not just a spice, it's a symbol of health. Turmeric is a versatile spice that offers a range of health benefits for people of all ages and backgrounds. Here are the top 5 benefits of using turmeric in daily life for different groups. 1 for teens, acne treatment. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can be used topically as a natural remedy for acne due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Skin health. Consuming turmeric helps to achieve clear and healthy skin, enhancing the appearance and reducing skin issues. 2. For kids, immune support. Turmeric can boost the immune system, helping children better fight off infections. Digestive health. It may alleviate digestive discomfort and support a healthy gut, reducing issues like bloating and gas. 3. For young mothers, postpartum recovery. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in postpartum recovery, helping with pain and inflammation. Breastfeeding support. Turmeric may help boost breast milk production when consumed in moderation. Stress relief. Turmeric's potential to reduce stress and anxiety can benefit young mothers dealing with the demands of motherhood. 4. For diabetics, blood sugar control. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with diabetes. Antioxidant. Turmeric's antioxidant properties can protect against oxidative stress, which plays a role in diabetes-related complications. 5. For old people, anti-inflammatory. It may help reduce joint pain and arthritis symptoms often experienced by older individuals. Brain health. Curcumin may support cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Heart health. Turmeric can contribute to cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. Now that we've explored the benefits of turmeric, let's see the practical ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. You can use it as a spice or paste in cooking, or integrate it into your daily regimen. A little goes a long way, and every usage supports your well-being. Turmeric enhances your overall health and wellness. If you found this content interesting, consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness tips.